Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Test, test, test. Let's go. Mic check, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Shaloob! Happy Wednesday, happy FOMC day. Let's get hype. Who's ready? He just told us to be prepared. Shazaman, Moses, Maestro, good morning. Shaloob, Crypto Craze, Calling Noob, let's go. Bangstar, Wessel, Fenner, 10 binds. Brutara, good morning. Rada, El Pasoto, Space Cadet. Shout outs El Pasoto. Maestro, shout outs to you, brother. Levels on levels on labels on levels. Lines on lines on lines on lines. We fancy. Let's get it. MJ, shout outs to PSG. Good morning, Houston. How we doing? We ready for a team stream later? Should be good times. Good times. See what Warsh has to say. I'm Sin, Vanya, Curvies. Good morning. Let's get it. Shout outs Calling Noob, gifting a sub to Fenerbahce. MEXC 83, good morning. Biffum, good morning. How we doing, brother?
On a weekend.
Biffum, I'm still working on some ideas, brother. Yeah, I'm not stalling on you. Yeah, shout outs to you, bro. Happy Wednesday, Lions. This is the FOMC playlist. Let's get hyped up. Manaka, how we doing? Forgiven. Good afternoon to you. My Espanol is not bueno either. So together we make a great team. Sandelka, let's go. Kata, how we doing? Good morning. Ciao. We are ready to juice. Let's get it. Roscoe. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. The meaning of life. I'm strong if you strong. Kimba gang always. Let's get it. Attempted to, Housty. No, Kiro. You don't want any? Come on, bro. Dude, it's so funny seeing like European people going to Taco Bell for the first time or something with this World Cup shit. Or they're going to like the gas station and like, this food. The frickin' drinks are like the size of my body. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, the Asians also. Yeah, I love to see it. It's super cool. And like this dude from South Africa was posting some cool stuff too. He's like, oh my God, these people aren't getting robbed right now. Just log into the S&P. The Koreans in Mexico are partying. That's awesome. I like seeing the Scots. They're really like living it up, I think. Who do you think, which country is like representing super, super hard? I know the Scots are. Anybody else? I know the Brits. I know Germany is represented pretty well. But who is just like holding it down on their visit? Shout out to MEXC, yeah. Mexico, let's go. Mexicans already been representing in America though, Houston. Right? Let's get it. Shout outs to LIQUIDITY though. When are we getting a team together? Who's gonna be on the squad? Houston. Cage is gonna be on second stream because he's on the national hockey team for LIQUIDITY. So he'll be like the sub. Yeah. Buzz the all-time court. Dude, this is fucking football, not football. Let's go, Houston. Let's get it. Let's get it. Shout out to Houston. Oh, you know, Houston would be an unbelievable color commentator for the World Cup. Bring him in for the Lions of LIQUIDITY culture for the live broadcast. I'm gonna have him come on later when we're doing FOMC, and I'm gonna just test out his goal. See how it sounds. What do you think? You got it in you, Houston? Houston, back in the olden days, Houston was like doing it all. Now Buzz. Dude. Houston's still down. Let's go, Houston. Brazil, let's go. Jose, let's get it. Who's playing today? Doesn't matter. Warsh is playing against the world. Portugal win. Ooh. Let's go, Jose. They call me Jose. If you don't watch it all, it's all right. It's all right. You're just missing out with the rest of the world. Okay, CR7. Is he playing? I thought he was done. Yeah, shout out to Argentina. Messi is so nasty, and he's getting up there in the years. It's amazing to see him back. He is playing. Oh, that's epic. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be a good one. Are they? No, dude, I love Messi. It's so funny to watch him play, especially like now. Even like in the last World Cup. The dude, he just sits there and like fucking stands. Or just like walks around for 90% of the game. He just like saves all of the energy. And then like all of a sudden he like sees something he likes and he just fucking breaks out the magic. It's so awesome. It's just like, it's like trading. It's a huge part of trading is being patient, waiting for the setup that you need, right? Portugal against Congo. Okay. Yeah, it's execution. That's right. You see what I did there? I brought it back to topic. Let's go. FOMC today. Let's get it. Little pullback. KIMBA'S levels from Monday or last week or last year. Still hitting, right? Beautiful. Lost settlement last night on CME. Shoutouts CoinWise. Got the levels. New video coming out maybe today. I know that it's finished. EMAs. I've seen a whole bunch of their new videos coming out. Juice. Juice. CoinWise education, indicators, journal. Can I say dashboard? Well, if I can't, I'd said it anyway. So, Coiner, don't ban me. Don't ban me. Coinwise.com/dashboard. I don't know, man. He used to be more like MEXC, but like when he's like streaming like towards the latter end, when he was scalping and stuff, it was more like CR7. Yeah. He used to be like super patient. We would be just like nerding out and vibing out, talking shit in the earlier days. And he would already be in positions, or, you know, he would just be waiting. And then he got a lot more active as time went on. Yeah, I think it got more exciting, but equally juicy. Yeah, especially for the people that are looking to be more active with their trading. And you get more like repetition, you get more practice, you get to see the vision and the approach, the breakdown of what someone who knows what they're doing is looking for. So if you're able to absorb all that, then it's huge juice. But both. I mean, I remember when Ronaldo first came out, like that, God, I can't even remember when it was. Was it 2004? 2008? And seeing him just like owning people with his footwork. Just like, man. Some people thought he was too fancy. We don't need to get fancy with stuff. Trading anyways. I'm gonna be more like MEXC. CoinWise juice, let's get it. Unfilled rotations to the upside and to the downside. Right at T-val. Hit them with the D data and previous week volume value area high. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And trying to hold on to value area low for the entire range. Let's see our liquidations. I know that we had some levels that we scooped up a little bit at that low 65 zone. Let's go, Kata. Kimba gang forever. Like 62.5. A little bit more building in the 63, like confluence zone that Kimba was mentioning. Maybe a little bit more below us, quite a bit above us as well. We're getting up there in the month. Y'all, Monday, I totally forgot that Friday this week is a U.S. holiday. Shout out to Juneteenth. I mean, respect. But y'all, we just had a holiday like 2 weeks ago, and we're about to have another one. And then we have another one coming up 2 weeks after Juneteenth. Like, it's pretty awesome, but like then we go for months on end without a holiday, and it's like, fuck me, man. Can we just like have like a designated day another time? Like shout outs to Juneteenth, or shout outs to Memorial Day. Let's have it then instead. But you know, I'm not complaining. Markets are closed on Friday though. Just futures. So with that implication, it means that all of our quarterlies are fucking Thursday. Ooh-wee. Tomorrow. Yeah. Did your mom get that? Alavs, I don't know. Did your mom? That's awesome. Let's go, Alavs. Shout out to Alavs. Amazing. Enjoy it. Hope she enjoys it. And I'm not like being rude or anything. Shout out to your mom, Alavs. Tell her I said what's up. I'm just kidding. No, I hope that she enjoys that membership and she can juice up with it. Shout out to CoinWise and the brand new CME. Let's get it. Let's get it. Open interest has fallen a little bit in the past day. Yeah, long stopping out, I think. Maybe a little de-risking into FOMC as well. This is pretty cool. I've been guessing in the dark too long. Without the math, I get it all wrong. Maybe a little dip up this hourly. Shout outs to CoinWise, coinwise.com/dashboard. Find your way around in here, and if you're new, you know, some of what we're looking at here, we still got 60K as being a big one, but that's not until next week. I think. Riddler, good morning. How we doing? Maestro. Coco, good morning. How we doing? Coco in 1 hour on Twitch. Okay. Let's go, Coco. How you doing? You juicing? Let's go, XLRD. Zuki. Let's get nasty, Coke Zero. Let's get nasty. This dashboard, though, it'll explain a lot of these things. You're trading here. We got a big peak up here at 67K. Boo Gamma's on S&P, potentially coming soon. If you're looking at some of the things that are marked on this chart, you can click on these things and it'll take you to some additional information. There's a whole write-up and like a little video. It's all free. Coinwise.com/dashboard. And then if you want to juice up more, there's like 80 plus courses in Coinwise so far, and they have a whole lot more to come. I need to get the countdown, don't I? Need to get the countdown. I've been playing with my CVD a little bit. What? Who's got the data on your side? Let's get it, Coke Zero, you juicing? Yeah, front running the NPOX. Kind of goofy. We need to complete the rotation. Doesn't mean that we will complete the rotation. Down in 63.8. Yeah, but it filled a lot of that inefficiency. And structurally, it's like pretty nice for the bullish retest. It's pretty damn close, isn't it? You want this darker? I kind of liked it really dim. Kind of like myself. A little dim. There we go. Ayo. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Look at that. Bad lows though. Those are poor. Right down there at the same thing. Trying to break structure. Can't get a close outside. We did get a higher high sort of, but and especially if you're looking at lower time frame. But in our 4 hour, that is no bueno, Houston. Could be worse, but it also could be better. We lost structure. And you got a little inefficiency above, regardless of the time frame. Yeah, we don't need this here anymore. And we don't really need this here anymore either. This was just like a pretty confluent zone that we were looking at. That's 67, high 66. Do y'all remember? How about we put in a div? We were like retracing, holding this like at the end of stream. How about we put in a div? Little higher high, and that's what it takes to get the pullback. That was pretty cool. Even if you're scalping, like that gave a pretty nice little setup. Yeah, let's get our derp on this. Let's get our derp on, y'all. Dynamic fixed range profile. Shout outs to Coinwise. Yeah, rejecting from the entire range value. Let's break this down into some mini ranges. See if it gives us any confluence down here. Oh man. I thought I clicked on the dirt. I'm gonna say once we like really lost that. What we could do. Let's do it from the bottom.
Something's been missing inside me. No data, no edge, no clue.
Still outside value. If we do it for like the whole range, still outside value. Maybe we include this. Yep. Right there. There. Shout outs to our old GIF commands. Let's go Coke Zero. Let's go Houston. How about our levels? Pintlovsky. Barentina. Good morning. How we doing? 83rd. Let's go. Kagam. Zuki. Dream Chaser. Forgiven. You waiting? Ah, Coco. Yeah, I see you. Maybe we have some giveaways today. Make sure you hop over in Twitch if we have the giveaways, and you can maybe have a chance to win. If you have not done so yet, exclamation BitBase, and you got a good chance to juice up as soon as those giveaways get kicked off. Yeah, right around 6-7. That's right, Houston. Dude, the freaking tippity tap tap is fucking dead on with it, isn't it? Let's go. Where are my fucking levels? Did I have to get rid of them? No, wait. Where'd they go? I don't know. The labels. I think I did something and turned the labels off. Well, we're outside of previous day value, so once we lost it, expansion. Yeah, I'll mark it later. Yeah, looking at cleaning that. Maybe it grabs the NPOX and monthly VWAP is tapped. That could still be support, but there's no reason it wouldn't bounce here. As long as the S&P is helping us out. Get your predictions in. I think you have like 1 minute. Get your first 5-minute candle prediction in. It's free. You just use your channel points. Get it. Kimba, let's go. Good morning, brother. How we doing? It's kind of surreal, like, because you used to be shouting me out on stream, and now I'm doing the same for you. It's strange. It's actually not that strange because I'm kind of used to it, but it's ironic and kind of funny. It's cool. Much love, brother. I hope everything's okay. Looking forward to FOMC today. Yeah, I was gonna get the levels in here. Levels on levels on levels on levels. So unfilled rotations, value area high, value area low, the 73, or I'm freaking 6-7. What, 63? I gotta go. Where did all my stuff go? Oh, god dang it. That's why I was like looking at Binance. I'm so like programmed for Coinbase that I just assume that my chart is in there. Shoutouts Coke Zero, let's go. Thank you, brother. He juicing. If you just juiced up on a gift sub, make sure you thank the man. Lions like him do not have to do this. Juicing up, spreading the love, working hard, and sharing generously. Much love, Coke Zero. Thank the man. Get your umbrellas out. I got my Calvin Klein umbrella. You know, I'm stepping up from Walmart. One of these days, it'll be a Gucci one. And then you know what's next. Let's go, Rana. Let's go, Dextrose, juicing up. Joker. Yeah, thank the man. Shoutouts to Coke Zero. Much love, brother. Shoutouts Biffum. Shoutouts Rajalicious. Shoutouts Calling Noob. MJ. King Guri. Fredward, let's go. Hope all is well. You guys ready for FOMC? Latisse. Go 1 2 1 2 1 2. I shouted you out this morning without even realizing it, brother. It's like check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's go. Uchiha, let's get it. John Kata. Let's go, Houston. Let's go, Coke Zero. What you in, Coke Zero? You in some things? You just get filled? I know the man got filled. Why did I mark this? Oh, it was the old highs. It's pretty nice. Like, oh yeah. And then swept it. Potential turning into support. Alright, let me get to like here. Yeah, there. That's a little better. Still outside of value. And volume. It's kind of surprising, that volume up there. It's not that substantial. I mean, it's sticking out a little bit. How big is it? I know it looks like I'm being like rewarded, but I was trying to look at, it's not that much. Maybe I should make my my ticks bigger. I just like to see the granularity. There's a big old peak right there. We make it up there. You know, that's structure and volume as resistance. And then this is one of the anchored VWAP bands. Where does that go? Where is this anchored VWAP? That's from the bottom, like the first bottom, I think. Yeah, it's up there a little bit. For the whole range. So it's the lower band and we rejected. Couldn't quite make it to that 336 unfilled rotation. Pretty cool. Previous day, we already marked it. We got it pretty much all planned out. Shout out to CoinWise and the levels. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like a hot fucking mess on here, doesn't it? Well, I got something for you. Uh-oh, hot dog. Looks like a waste stream, doesn't it? Shout out to CoinWise and the frickin' templates. Looks a lot like the away stream, doesn't it? It's just not blue. I gotta have my black background. Shout outs if you like the black backgrounds. Which one of you psychopaths is trading with a white background? Maybe Psycho Talon. It's in your name. 64.6, let's go, Coke Zero. There's still a chance to buy now. Yeah, there is. If you're, especially if you're like scalping it. maybe look at like, I want to see it break from here. It is holding the small consolidation. Yeah, give it a little more time maybe. Single print right above. Let's see here. It's at 30. Get rid of this. Yeah, make a big enough box and yeah. That was for the value area low, point of control, value area high from before. For the range. It looked cleaner in you kind of break, retest. This ain't gonna do nothing for us. I don't have it configured on this one. Do I have SVP? No. I thought I had PVP on here. No, it needs to be on candles. Might look a bit better. Oh, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Ding, 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 ding. There we go. Look at that. You got a point of control right there. And right here. Quit playing with me. Look at that point of control. Come back and tap it. Let's go get that single print. Is that grabbed? I think it is. This is the one that should have it. Where did it go? Return of the rate cuts. I'm Sin. Good morning. 60 Biddy, let's go, Coke Zero. Abel Manaka. What do I think of the market right now? I think that it's bouncing. I think that it's retesting a pretty important zone that needs to hold. If we slip back inside and back below 64, I think there's a chance we rotate down at least a couple thousand more. Possibly go challenge the lows again. There's some weak levels below with quite a bit of liquidity, but it's not looking super great at the highs either. So, you know, we get back inside this 65 zone, you know, flip that point of control region up here. So really like only like $600-700 and get a good close, strong close up here. And maybe we run for the highs and clean up that 68 zone along with them. But we got FOMC in about 4 hours from now. So your guess is as good as mine. A lot can happen. And to boot, it could absolutely just fuck around until then. Look, BITI is pumping, and S&P ES has a bearish candle. So you do the math. Right at settlement though, that needs to hold. These lows are not great. BITI's going for the gap. Bearish gap. NDS, it did not have any gap, did it? Oh, it almost filled it. It was a gap up, kind of. Fred, we're in all three. DX. Satamoto. Okay. Uh-oh. Hitman Gucci, let's get it. Uh-oh, if you didn't get long. Shoutouts to Who Juicin', who caught the other Who Juicin' the other day, and then there's another one coming up on Friday. Who was here for the talent show yesterday? Exclamation talent show, get your prediction, or sorry, get your submissions in, not your predictions. Shit. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Yeah, probably Coinbase was green too, wasn't it? I think so. Yeah. Let's get back over. This is a big gap. That's quite a big gap. That's what he said. Zalbaya. Gap in the gap in the gap, gap, gap. Yeah, that's nested. We don't need all these lines. Looking a little better. Monthly VWAP below for RTH. I don't know why this thing is on here. I just need to get rid of that. What is it? Is it for the gaps or something? It is. Are we like setting it based on there? I don't know how that got skewed. Shaman, thank you for the resub. 38 months, let's go. Good morning, how we doing? Limix, hey, shout outs to you, welcome, brother. How you doing? You trader or are you just here to learn? I invite you to check out our Discord. It is free and a great place to interact with other really great traders and also just learn. We're all about learning and improving here. Let's go, Coke Zero. Stop and profit on 4 accounts. Ooh wee. He's going shopping. The gap down, G Dominguez. There is a gap down there. We have to make it down there. It's a pretty substantial level to break through that 63 and 62 zone. Yeah, if we start to trade into this gap, it still is a potential bounce zone. So I wouldn't get like too ambitious about going for the lows just yet. Market go burr. Let's go moist brownie points. G Dominguez, you're looking for the gap fill. Limix, feel very welcome to ask questions. You know, and unless it's like, how old are you? You remember that one? How old are you? 74 in lion years. Is that how old it was? 420 in lion years. But yeah, anything, dude. We're just vibing out, listening to some music, getting prepared for FOMC. Yeah, I'll mark the top of the gap. I don't even have to, it's already pre-marked. I had already marked it before. Okay. The only reason I'm doing that is so I can go into ETH. And we can look at the structure a little bit better for more. Hype the news first, then we go. Yeah. Yeah, FOMC. Is there going to be a surprise rate cut? That would be insane, wouldn't it? I don't know about that. They've been juicing the numbers, though, haven't they? G Dominguez, yes, anytime, brother. Ask away. Coco, you're going to be patient? Yeah. There is a lot going on. You want to see Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Sony, and Microsoft. Yeah, all the normals. And then, of course, SpaceX. We're going to take another look at that one in a minute. Yeah, S&P is starting to have a little push. I guess it's recovering. We'll wait for 12 minutes to see it push out of the gap. I don't normally have the countdowns, but it's actually pretty helpful. Since I'm no good at reading 24-hour clocks. I'm just kidding. You like to see settlement on the charts? Yeah, it's nice. We used to mark it manually, and CoinWise has the indicator that it'll mark it for us, and it's accurate. It's great. Yeah, you can mark it manually if you go into CME and Crypto Jammies. What the fuck? You can go to CME and check it and mark it on the chart manually. It's just like laborious. It is a tedious task to do every day. And then a lot of times you have to, like, it's kind of crazy. You used to have to wait until midnight New York time to get it updated. Leakwalk, Crypto Jammies, Crispy. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, Google it if you want to see where you can, the exact site to go to. I don't have it right offhand, but it's helpful. The settlement is a important level. Yeah, you see a lot of, it's more important than daily open for traditional markets. You see the reaction with it, especially like kind of like a SR level. It's cool. You can also develop a bias based on where the market is with relation to it. Yeah, it's cool. Or rips, let's go. We're doing great. We're doing Gucci Magucci. How are you doing? Gucci Magucci, smoking on that Latucci. Shout outs Coke Zero. We played that song. I don't know if you were here the other day, like when we played that song. But we were like, yeah, love you, Coke Zero. You know I'm about to play like my next favorite song. Like my new favorite. I was going to start off right away with the brand new playlist, but I know it was playing like some of the songs from it right before I came on, so I was like giving everybody a break. Where's my Latuche song? To the balcony. I'm not going anywhere. Turnip, our favorite vegetable. Hit him with the goose. Let's go. Coke Zero, I gotta find it. I forget what it's called, but I will play it again. It just came in the random playlist. Absolutely, anytime, Coco. Yeah, I'll see if I can find it. Houston might be able to tell me the title of it, and then I'll like lock it in. Yeah, for sure, Denial. Well, welcome back, dude. I remember you. Let's go, Leakwalk. Yeah, shout outs to Kay, shout outs to Kimba, shout outs to the PSG. I know you were. Oh, we were looking for Gucci Magucci smoking on that Latucci song. I can't remember what it's titled. Do you know? Shout out to Houston. Yeah. Oh, it's Stop Loss and Profit? Okay. Okay. Let me find this dang. Yeah, we're just vibing this morning. Fred's hitting with the goose. Let's get loose, y'all. Let's go, Blink John. Juice. Mark, good morning. Shout out to PSG, Maestro. EK. Joy, yes, they are. They're written, not AI, but the music is, it's kind of like a compilation. Joy X. It's themed based on a lot of things that our community has been about for a long time. And some of it is really, really good, I think. I've enjoyed the music, and it's great to have diversity. We have like 500 songs. All right, I gotta find it. It's hard for me to go into the S's without... So I just scrolled right past 2 letters, 1 word. Pretty hard for me to not do that one. And Runnin' is a great song too. Crypto Jammies, what are you talking about, dude? How many... They found their legs and teeth today? Nice. I bet that's super cute. Yeah, Coke Zero, it's incoming. Pretzel's making me... Crypto Jammies hitting Latuche already. That's for sure. Joy Killer, are you feeling them or are you not? We don't. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Yeah. That's great, Joy X. Yeah, just on the streams, Orips. And Who Juicin', exclamation Who Juicin'. It's a Sato counter trading stream. There's a lot of our music on there too. But yeah, since it's running 24/7, you know, it gets cycled through. So that's pretty much, yeah. Shouts Houston dropping the links. It gets cycled through. But that's about the only places for now. And if you're interested, you have a chance to make your own songs. Like, Useless Line Records is a real thing now. And they do talent shows. So you can write some lyrics and it'll get set to music. Let's go, Houston. It'll get set to music and you have the chance not only to have your lyrics turned into a song, but also to win money. Yeah, it's a competition. And so you can win. It's big money too. It's like 250 bones, doll hairs, every show. And then the champions will all compete at the end of the season for the big prizes. Yeah, exclamation talent show. It's amazing. It's a lot of fun. Even if your song doesn't win, it's fun to just make it. It's cool to get that side of your brain working. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Let's see this scatterbrain come up with some lyrics. Dude, I saw a crazy. Have you seen that fucking Pennywise rap? That shit is crazy. I just saw that this morning. I know, I'm like sleeping. Absol. Let's go. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Big ups to Absol. I'm James Rick, bitch. Let's go. How we doing? Good morning. Let's go, Dole Kong. Good evening to you. We're just vibing out, prepping up. Yeah, looking to see if we can make it back to settlement on CME. See what kind of reaction we get. Is it going to be rejecting from volume? We got HVN up here and point of control. A lot of levels, so it's like right above. I would be looking for potentially a good strong close and reaction through, maybe even a little pullback to that to go to the highs, or is it a convincing rejection? Maybe so, like either like this, something like that maybe, or maybe we kind of come up here and right back. One of two things. Maybe it doesn't even make it that high, but it's looking okay right now. ES isn't looking super great. But Biddy is Honey Badger this morning. Exclamation dashboard for the stream schedule. You also have the opportunity to win big giveaways. I don't know when they're going to kick off. If it's going to be this morning or this afternoon or later than that, but they're supposed to be big giveaways this week. So the first one I would sign up for is bit-based. You don't have to deposit. You just have to make an account and put your UID into the dashboard. So exclamation dashboard, go check it out. And then you establish an account on BitBase. All you just need is like your email basically. And copy and paste. High chance that happens. Let's go, Dole Kong. What are you looking for? Are you back in it? Oh, Dole Kong, leave your thing on. Yeah, it's gonna be the middle of the night for the rates announcement, isn't it? Shouts Dole Kong. You probably have to work tomorrow too, don't you? This is gonna be a cool one. I definitely would like to see you juice up. Yeah, it's hard for the Asian lions, isn't it? The stream replay though, hopefully we have a stream scheduled for it on YouTube that you can watch the replay. How we doing, Apollo? It's not. No KYC. Yeah, it's a newer one. But many of the exchanges that you see there in the dashboard are non-KYC. Yeah, and depending on where you are, like maybe no VPN. You know that there's ways around some of these things though. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna go like any detail. But if you wanted to use it more, they have huge deposit bonuses. They have huge deposit bonuses. Exclamation Palau. Shouts to my Palau neighbors. Let's go, Housty. You like same brain on that one, right? Housty. Husey in Alton. Is that Housty alt account? Husey in alt account. 91. Dude, what's going on? It's a sex, I think. There's going to be a Dex coming out, another one coming out pretty soon, though. Kimba's making an exchange. Accelerate. Shout out to Kimba. Oh, absolutely, Coco. By far the most searched sport. That's the most popular sport in the world. Come on. Quit playing with me. Cheers, crypto. Let's go. I know it's your name, Husey, but that boy DHTX, his nickname is Husty. Yeah, welcome, brother. His nickname is Husty. We call him Husty, and so your name is Husey. I guess you had to be there. I'll just start calling Husty, who's a mod and a host of many of our shows. I'll just start calling him Juicy, and then we won't get you guys confused. Bet. Bet. Let's go, Juicy. Let's go, Husey. Dokong, I know that you're interested in that. I think Biff might be interested in that too. For like, not for the Korean partner though, but I know many of the Lions have experience with exchanges too, more than just like getting wrecked on exchanges or juicing on them, but actually working with them. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. I'd love to see people have opportunities. I'd love to have a fucking opportunity. Shit, I'm like just sitting here vibing out on music, man. I'm trying to change your life. Let's go, Housty. I can't really hit the high notes. Maybe I can get the AI to auto-tune that for me. There are JoyX, dude, where I live, we're about to get hit with like a fucking 20% tax increase. It's insane. I'm like about to move. But we just built a surf park here too, so it's like, god damn it, you freaking, like just when I was gonna get out, you pull me back in. A surf park, like a surfing wave pool. Dude, Maestro, I know, man, but it's like so hard. And it's like I'm entrenched with fucking family and shit living here. It's hard with kids too, you know what I mean? You need to go to Dubai. Dude, I like green though, man. And I love the tax structure there. Don't get me wrong. I like green. I know, Maestro. I'm fixing. Dude, I wish I would get a surf part there. I would be like packing my bags. But that may be in the cards. Yeah, I got some. I got some little things down there. Maybe I'll come visit. Maybe Band-Aid. Headquarters in Florida. Yeah, but I'm not doing Miami. We got family down in that area, and it's just too damn hot. Did our shit? Thanks, Coke Zero. I already hit this song. This is just going like down the list. I got sidetracked. Coke Zero, I apologize, dude. Shit. Where did it go? I'm just pausing it so it doesn't start another one. Stop loss and profit. Houston, is that the stole loss and profit? This one? Yes, it is. Oh yeah, I bet, Houston. They do have a surf part there. Gucci Magucci smoking on that Latucci. Let's go, Coke Zero. Shout out to Houston. Shout out to Coke Zero. Shout out to Fredward. That's true, Coco. You can play it everywhere. All you need is a ball. Joy. I'm in the US. So I know the pain. Yeah, but I think you might be able to VPN and figure something out with that, and possibly with Palau. You wrote it live in PSG. That's fucking sick, dude. That's amazing. Let's go, Bangstar. Let's nod your heads. That's awesome. Fort Myers? Yeah. I got family in North Florida also, but it's like way more low key up there. I like that area. And on the Gulf Coast, it's pretty. Yeah. So that's Fort Myers, isn't it? It's on the Gulf Coast. Dude, I saw this video of like a fucking bazillion sharks there. It was like a gadillion. Let's go, Coco. Latucci. MEXC shout outs to you, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the gift subs. If you just juiced up, get your umbrellas out. I got my Latucci umbrella. Joy, have you tried HYPERLIQUID? Exclamation HYPERLIQUID. If you haven't. Yeah, and KIMBA'S exchange I think is gonna be a Dex also. Shoutouts MEXC, let's go. That song is beautiful. Shoutouts Coke Zero. Shoutouts Housty. Juice! I like this one too. Right to spot VWAP. Flip it. Continuation. Yep, on the dashboard. Let's go, accelerate. Yep, every single meeting you have with me is a doctor's appointment. Every single thing that I have to do, my excuse, if I don't want to do it, I got a doctor's appointment. Oh, what kind of, like, what's wrong? HIPAA violation, bitch. Shout out to America. You can't ask me that. Are they crypto jammies? Crypto jammies, I'm trying out this new thing. It's called these dunks. They're like those little like things you put in buckets of water. They're supposed to work good. You got them fucking all over the place. I'll let you know. It's supposed to take a couple weeks for them to work. Dude, the salt. I kind of want one of those. I've been sleeping on it, but like if you see those flies, the salt, the little salt shotgun. And I'm talking about like rock salt. It's those little salt guns. You got a fly in the house and you're trying to like dispatch it. We don't really get flies in the house that much. It's too hot to fucking leave the doors open. The real XLRD. Let's go. Accelerate. Dude, there was like a Mandalo one at one point. It wasn't exactly, but it was funny. Yeah, Joy X. HYPERLIQUID's pretty dope. Both for real, let's get it. You did, Rafa? That's awesome. Yeah, get your little hunting itch in. I'm not like, I might not seem like it, but I love animals, dude. And so I'm not really much of a hunter or anything, but I've done a little bit, and I've done a little bit of spear fishing. I think that's pretty fun. That shit's raw, dude. Especially like in places like the Bahamas or something, or in open water. You don't know what else is out there. It's pretty sick. It's exciting. That's amazing, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, meanwhile, I've lost most of my chickens because I live in like a neighborhood, like a residential suburban area. And y'all, you might think it's crazy because not everybody, we have a lot of international lions. They will fucking do all kinds of crazy things to you if you don't follow the stupid rules of the city and stuff, or the township. And they'll like send people out there and fucking fine you and stuff. You've got chickens. They won't let you like do anything basically, and they want to tax you on everything. So you know what it is. Sandelka Warhawk. I don't care really. I like the eggs, but I'm not trying to like take care of stuff. You believe in the sirens? Yeah. The dunks. Yeah, it's not a HOA, thank God. I've made sure of that, but they do suck. Yeah, how about the ones that like cost like so much money and they don't do freaking anything? Or like the condo fees that cost like $500, $1,000 a month and you fucking don't get anything out of it. But some of them are pretty nice. Like you pay like these big fees, but you have all kinds of amenities. You saw fights about Knicks fans? Really? I didn't see really any of that. I know the Knicks were like juicing. Shouts to the Knicks. You can't even put a nail in the wall with the HOAs? Yeah, dude. If you put the wrong light bulb in, they're gonna get pissed off. We wake up, charts up, juice on the screen. Giveaways coming in, heavy, that's the dream. New trades lined up, math on a play. Levels locked in. We gonna take it all. All right, well, we had a lot of long stop out on this pullback. And we're getting some bigger volume coming in. So that's what we need for continuation higher. CVD's curling up. That low. Not quite. I mean, I don't know if I want to call that a divergence, but it is coming back up on aggregate and Coinbase. Shout outs to the CoinWise indicators, open interest, longs and shorts. Shorts are kind of up there. Maybe start to get some closing if we start to get up into the higher 65s. So it could be a little bit of fuel for us. RSI, aggregate CVD, spot, and this is CoinWise divergences. CVD also. Relative volume, that's just normal buy-sell volume, and delta. And then funding rate, it's like pretty much neutral. Let's go.
Kimba, they ain't ready for this.
They ain't ready for this. They ain't ready for this.
Streamathon season.
Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. All right, let's check on this, and we'll like go check on ETH and stuff.
Trade, giveaway, juice. Everything in motion.
ETH kind of recovered in the past 15 minutes.
Kimba gang rock out. Whole pride together, we never gonna drop out. Streamathon pop out. Profits we stop out. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while.
Look at that, running it back. That's gonna be a pretty cool IB candle. Let's see this IB candle. Look at that thing. That's nice. Latif says send it. The Home Depot houseplant 9986 CBD, brother. Cumulative volume delta, not whatever CBD stands for. Let's go, Home Depot houseplant. That's quite a name, dude. Shout out to Home Depot. Used to be a plant collector. Mrs. Mandalo still kind of is. Just, but not like it used to be. It's hard to take care of a whole like home full of exotic plants. She's an orchid collector though. Let's go, Space Cadet. Accelerate into the naked pony controls, huh? We kind of front ran them. Yeah, I'm sorry. I kind of mumbled, dude. It was CVD, cumulative volume delta. That's what that indicator is. And I kind of customized it. I may share it with the CoinWise team or some version of it if anybody wants to use it. But you got to use it on spot tickers. So you can't like switch between the two. It's like we'll change it up a little bit. Yeah, and the other one that I was talking about on there, Home Depot, was this is CVD currently. So again, it's cumulative volume delta, but this one is aggregate, and so you can maybe microscopically pick out the different things that it's on there. Some of the biggest spot volume, and then Coinbase is on here too. The biggest spot ones that I can control, aggregated together, and then this is just Coinbase alone for like the institutional. If I could do more, I would put more in there, but I'm trying to control it very tightly. The divergences one is this. And you can really customize a lot more with this indicator. But you can also look at divergences for many other types of oscillators and even plug in something else if you wanted. So it's pretty cool. And it'll mark divergences right automatically for you. I just think that it's busy for my own preferences. But some people really enjoy that part of it. Yeah, it is pretty cool. Exclamation CoinWise, they have some great indicators and a whole lot more. They have education, they have a trading journal, they have daily levels, so some of these things that are marked on the chart, and then they also have a lot of free tools at coinwise.com/dashboard. Yeah, don't follow me. That's like, it's not like the main one. Yeah, brother. Yeah, shout outs to Houston. Shout outs Maestro. Maestro is a big, big supporter of CoinWise. Let's get it, dude. BitBase giveaway tomorrow. Okay. And then the Kimba live trading. And that's going to be the last RTH session of the week. So we got the quad witching tomorrow. That'd be cool to wrap up with Mandalo in the afternoon too, market close. Yes, I'll check it. All right, yo, let's go. Shout out to Houston.
Kimba gang, motherfucker.
I gotta refresh it. There we go. Ooh. Let's go, Space Cadet. Yeah, I did a lot of the like little nerd outs a while back on different topics. Let's go. Get ready. Shout outs to CoinWise. Home Depot, yes, I have. Yeah, it's okay. Where I am with that versus the tools that you're seeing is, you know, I find it like really juicy if you don't want to understand the reason that markets are reacting in the way that they do, and you just like want to get trade setups. The thing that I had a problem with it was just trusting it, and then if price didn't do this like what it was telling me to do, then I would be like confused and like I would get frustrated. Let's go! Exclamation! Wait, what are we supposed to hit? Type? Exclamation levels on levels. I couldn't find it. Let's go! Exclamation levels on levels. Hey, Home Depot, if you want to try out the CoinWise, come over to the Twitch. The giveaway only works over there. Just come over there really quick. You don't even have to have the sound on, and you don't have to leave YouTube. Just enter the Twitch, and you have enough time to enter the giveaway. You can give it a shot. Coco, you do the same, brother. Ludo, Dolkong, do it. Let's see a do it in here. Joy, do it. Levels on levels, exclamation levels on levels. Let's go. Shouts to the new songs too. We got a couple of them on deck right now. Come on now, let's get it. Shout outs CoinWise. 2 minutes to join. Come on now. Ooh wee. Let's go, Maestro. Shout outs for the resub. Thank you, brother. Brutara, you gotta hit exclamation levels on levels. Let's go, AIM. Ooh wee! Let's go, Maestro. That's what I'm talking about. He resubbed in tier 2 just to get the do it. Levels on levels, do it. Exclamation levels on levels. Let's go. Dude, what band does this sound like? Maestro juicing. Do it. Juice up, do it. Stop loss and profit, do it. Yeah, look at that pixel. Pixel retest. 1 minute to join. Come on now. We're getting funky with it. Let's go, Warhawk. Exclamation levels on levels. You got 1 minute. S&P getting nasty. Okay. Look at that IB candle. Almost over. Outside the gap now. Juice. but it still is running into naked point of control from above and structure. So it could still fail, but those highs aren't great. Yeah, there's the potential for a little bit higher to clean everything. And there's no exclamation levels on levels. We're almost running out of time. I'm getting too freaking distracted on juicing. Let's go the way it is. Oh, let's go. Congratulations, way it is. Coinbase Boomer, let's go. Dude, shout outs on that name. Way it is, let's get it. Congratulations, dude. Make sure you follow those instructions. Just check out the CoinWise Discord. And, you know, let's pump that CoinWise Discord. Come on now. Let's go Roscoe. Darius. Oh, you're aim for the head. Let's go Home Depot. Let's get it. Welcome over to the Twitch. Yeah, if you're like trying to avoid the ads or whatever, like I see you with the YouTube. We're just happy to have people viewing and participating in the community. Yeah, check out our Discord. Limited hype train. Are we for real right now? Let's go, Joker. Fellas, good morning. How we doing? Maybe. I don't know. It's kind of rejecting from that structural level. Really, really close to that volume. Like right at the origin of that node. Pretty close to it. And then you got structure. So you know what I always say about this. Like these people think that they're getting the fucking bottom and then they go underwater and they're like, oh, please just let me out. Please just let me out. And that's not even like an order block or anything. It just is like, it's a Frankenstein. But it's to make a point about it. Oh. Yeah, way it is. I hope you get it figured out, brother. Juice up. And you have to pair your trading view with it once you get it. Trembler, you're our boomer. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in denial. Shouts to Nile. Trader Ivan. Crypto Jammies, I'm not picking on anyone. Dude, love you, brother. Shaggy bro, 47 months. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Shaggy. Thank you for the resub, brother. Long and shorts from way higher, dude. That's a hedge though, and spot, but not that much anymore. I like kind of waiting still. Patiently following the plan. Home Depot, you got anything, or are you looking for some entries? Yeah, and I get a little bit less aggressive leading into big releases like this. Anyways, I might seem like kind of casual. I was like big scalper for a long time, and then dude, life be life, and dude, I don't have the energy to keep up with it. You're actually Coinbase boomer. Let's go, Trembler. Let's go, Kimba. Let's go. We just missed the giveaway. You could have juiced up on CoinWise, dude. Shoutouts, Kimba. Yeah, shoutouts to Way It Is. Just had victory on the giveaway. Let's get it. Hope all is well, brother. Thanks for joining this morning. Thanks for the platform for us to vibe out. You like the new music? Let's go, Lou time. Fib math, Moses, forgiven. Let's fucking go. Maybe get that MPOG with the divergence, yeah. Ooh, we got that initial balance close. Yeah, not quite as nice as we wanted, but it's all right. Yeah, right at the edge of the gap. Can you believe that? Quit playing with me. All right, let's get it in. Yeah, that's a nice little dildo right there, though. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Doobie, Vanya. Hey, make sure you show Kimba some love, y'all. You're pretty new to trading? Yeah, take it slow. Maybe spot. Maybe trade spot and do like some small positions. You have like, you don't have to worry about getting liquidated. Just do a little bit to practice, or paper trading. I'm telling you, man, like people don't appreciate it. It's like don't have the patience for it, but it makes a big difference. You can practice different things that you're learning. Let's go fib math. Choo choo. Houston got some tea. He's spilling the tea on us. Maestro got a dope little thing. What'd you get? A magnifying glass? Let's go Shazaman. Shaggy. Thank you for the resub, brother. Fellas. Mark. Quit playing with me, Accelerate. Shout out to PSG. Latisse. Paper trading is demo trading. So, like, not... That's just what they called it back in the olden days, like when boomers first started like doing their own trades instead of letting their fucking brokers do it. But it is just like kind of synthetic. It's practice. And they have it on TradingView. They have it on just about every exchange that you can have a practice account with. And that way, if you lose the money, then you don't actually lose all of your money. And it's like 90% of traders lose money, especially when you start. 90% of people that trade, and there's hundreds of millions of people that trade across the world, 90% of them lose money. Isn't that crazy? We're trying to be in the top 5% or 1% of the ones that make money. But it's not like a race to get there. Because it's a lifelong skill. That's right. That's right, Maestro. Come on, man. He can say that, though. Yeah, you don't lose. You have to hold on to it. If you buy the wrong altcoin at the wrong timing, though, you can never have it come back to your entry, or you're gonna have diamond hands for a very long time. Who am I? Am I the diva or the sanger? Let's go, Maestro. Home Depot, but like a lot of people get bored with it, so. You know, another suggestion is just to do small accounts and do low leverage. Oh, I see you, Maestro. I mean, dude, it's like I can't even see the person. I just see an eye and a magnifying glass. And that's kind of cool. Open on value area low. Yeah, for the full session. How about for RTH though? Oh, we just got to the end of the playlist. Oh, let's get us hyped up. What are we gonna listen to now? Maybe we'll like turn this one on and then check Boo Gammas really quick. Exclamation Boo Gammas. You got it? Oh, let's go the way it is. I like that one, Crypto Craze. See, Maestro, it's not that bad. Crypto Craze is feeling it. Yes, Home Depot, absolutely join our Discord. It's free, and the community is really, really helpful, and many of the members are all about just like improvement. Come check out the PSG. There's people that are always like learning and improving, nerding out, trying new strategies. And if you just want to kind of sit back and observe what's going on there when there's not streamers on, then, you know, just kind of like hang out. It's a really great place and people are there all the time. But it's in the Discord. Let's go, Home Depot. That's awesome. Welcome. But the PSG is a great place. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Maestro. It's public stream, gang. So like when there's not a stream on, let's go, Dolkong. I know you in the Discord. Come on now. Welcome. You want to come check out our Discord, Dolkong? Have you heard about this community? How did you find? I'm just kidding, dude. Dolkong's an OG. Yeah, let's go, PSG, the dancer. Let's go, Bergie. It's a place that people will stream just kind of their own thoughts or charts or whatever, and just vibe out, learn when we don't have streamers on. And there's always people in there just hanging out. A lot of great studying and learning goes on there. And then the KIMBA'S Den is an amazing place as well to learn. The last thing that I would say is the learning corner usually has some really cool things shared there. But beyond this, check out the KCEX thing that I shared with you. Even if it's just the dashboard and just reading some of those pages that they have access to. So KCEX.com/dashboard. They have like 25 pages in their YouTube. You can learn quite a bit as well, just from like the free resources. Begin to get some ideas about what to learn about. Because all of these things, you can click them and you can get like a bunch of information. You may not understand what all of it is, but gradually it'll give you some ideas. But just I mean, it's not a race. It's not a race. So take it slow and appreciate the process. It's one of those things that the more you learn, the more you want to know, and when you start to see like improvement with your trading and your P&Ls, it's really, really rewarding. You can do it for the rest of your life. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'll thank Kimba too. I'm Mandalo. I'm just one of the co-streamers, but you're very welcome. You're very welcome. And always when we're on stream, and you can go in the dashboard and see the schedule, come check out the dashboard. You can see like when different people are streaming, but ask questions on stream too. Anything that you're not sure about or you want to learn more about, you know, as long as I'm not like signing out like right that second, usually I'm able to answer it or we can nerd out about it together. Yeah, happy to help. I'm a big nerd. I'm a doctor in real life and a professor in one of my many branches of professional fields. So you know what it is. I'm a big proponent of learning and hard work. Mr. Murder using Kalshi. Okay, how was that? Fellas is vibing. He's doing okay. But oh yeah, I see you there. Well, let's go back into the charts. Is it gonna roll over? Yeah, and this is the RTH chart, so just during New York Open session. You couldn't even make it up to value area. Is it previous day value area on volume 2? I don't have it marked on here. Oh, S&P, come on now. Come on now. It's just turning that gap into we want more. Snap diddly. Oh, I just played the fucking Bugammas and then I got sidetracked. It's clear that I know how to talk and I like my own voice, right? I am feeling better today. Thanks for asking. It's gonna be a long one, gang. I was like, yeah, I need to get a bunch of work done. And then I'm like purely fucking locked in on stream. Yeah, 7530 is a nice big one. Sorry for the flashbang. That's the biggest Bugamma for today. So it could be attracting price. And the 7400 was fucking massive on all expiries. Maybe, shoot. I don't know if it's gonna make it to those highs. That we could have already gotten it. Wow. So that was exclamation Bugammas. Ooh, get out of here. This is exclamation XO, so YouTube. Yes. 3.8K in volume. Yeah, shouts Mr. Murder. Dude, when I was scalping altcoins, I was scalping it with spot and doing fucking multi-million dollars in volume. It was crazy. Not multi-million dollar positions, but multi-million dollars in volume is and that was still hard. Like, dude, don't even worry. Don't even worry. Look at the P&L. You turn off the, I mean, if it helps to turn off the dollars in profit, then just turn it on the percentage of P&L. Really, you should just be like pleased that the position is green when the trade concludes. You just want to practice it going to target, and you know, part of just like following a plan and letting the things play out. Yeah, I need to like switch it back real quick. Yeah, the profits will come. Oh, look at that sweep. Just clean that bad low. How about that? Yeah, exclamation XO. Shoutouts to Colin Noob. Let's go Curvies. I think it is on a downtick, personally. I have my own YouTube, Home Depot. I haven't posted on there in over a year. Really, since I started streaming, I was invited to be a co-streamer with Kimba. And so I haven't been making videos on the YouTube. And I'm doing a little bit of things with CoinWise. So I've been putting some energy into that as well. Yeah, and some of their education stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. But I do have Twitter. Like, I'm an idiot. I don't like put anything cool on there, but I would love to. That'd be cool. I just don't. I'm not the type that's like, I know I'm on stream right now, but I'm not the type to like for freaking put energy into like, look at me. But the YouTube, it does have some cool things on there, and it's a little different from CoinWise. It definitely, the quality is garbage, but the information is good. Yeah, you can find me on there. Yeah, a lot of the Lions have seen some of my old YouTubes, and that's part of how I was afforded the opportunity to come up on stream. Yeah, I'm doing that. I mean, it was really for the community. That's awesome, El Pasoto. Let's go. Yeah, it'd be cool. But I mean, dude, I would love to be famous on X and then be anonymous too. Like, what's... I don't want to be famous though, man. Like, even like modest like recognition in other walks of life, I have experienced that a little bit, and it's cool to be able to go places and you know someone really like all over the world when you travel. But at the same time, it's like, dude, I just want to go to dinner with my chick and frickin' just like experience the moment with her and not talk to people. You know what I mean? You feel me? Kimba, let's go. And that's like not even being like, dude, imagine if Kimba, like, dude, he could not go anywhere, right? But I'll recognize that back. Kimba, dude, don't come anywhere near where I am because I'm gonna know you. I've seen that backhand. I got some time in that. Love you, brother. That was hard. Yeah, it was like a kind of technical. I was like really like, I couldn't find things that I'll know that hoodie anywhere. A lot of the ones that I made were like areas that, yeah, you would, Dokon. It was areas that I couldn't find good videos or information explanations that were clear out there. And not that I did a great job of it, but I wanted to share what I liked about those things, and you know, some juice that I got from my own work. Oh shit, exclamation hot dog, let's go. Speaking of Twitter, I'm sure something's popping off. I don't know. We're gonna have some bing bong ding dong today, probably. Yeah, we still have this huge giant gap, and we have the 75.30 on S&P. Let's translate this ES to index S&P. Oh my! They got filled and down. There was that. I told you that 7,400 was big. Still got to break through the monthly VWAP, but do that and the gap and maybe lower. Interesting. We'll see how this next candle closes and how the day develops. But that 7,400 is a big level. And that closes that huge inefficiency that we experienced the other day. Yeah, that's right, Houston. 14-day free trial. They have great educational videos on CoinWise. And they also have a lot of extra YouTube videos. Shout out to CoinWise. Yeah, you also have this stream. You can ask questions, but man, if you really want to start nerding out, and CoinWise has quizzes that you can practice with, see how well you absorb things. I have been sleeping on shouting out the quizzes, but those are pretty dope. At some point, those quiz points are going to be worth something, I think. Yeah, shout out to the users that have completed all of the quizzes, and there's like 80 of them or something. There's like 1,500 questions or something on there. That's dope. But you know, learning like this is your choice. If you're learning in class and you gotta take a quiz or something, it's like, God damn it, I forgot to study. This is like, you get direct juice from this. CBD regular bull? Yeah. Let's go, Blank John. What does that even mean? Coinwise. Let's go, Dolcom. I'm Sin, sniping it. Look at that. Oh my good lord. Did it just stop people out and then fucking just rebound? Told you that point of control though. Dude. 7-5. 64-8. Crypto Jamies, have a great day, brother. Maybe you can join in a little bit later. The meeting. The bingo. We're gonna have some bingo going for the presser. We don't know what to expect. I'm gonna have to like take notes big time this time to try and see if Warsh has anything that he likes to say that's different. But we'll play press conference bingo so we can watch it and actually have some fun. Maybe have a chance for some prizes too. It's pretty cool. Good way to lock in on the data. Oh my good lord. Not today, market makers. Juicy. Look at that 64-7. Crazy. Young Sue. Let's go, fellas. My palapa. Eric Batman, you shitty landlord. Look at that buyback. Wow.
Kimbo and they gonna stop playing with us.
Quit playing with us. Wait a minute. F sweep. Right at that level too. Got that whole single print. It still hasn't tested this. And it still could be a little bit lower and holding this whole structure.
I'm scalping, I'm trading. Yeah. They think it's manipulation. The trades I'm taking, they can't even imitate it. Stop playing. But I'm calm, I'm waiting. Zone tap, no hesitation, just patience. Know what I'm saying?
Dude, are you for real? Look at that high time frame level. Pixel retest on the way down. Failed auction right at that level. That's juice. Need to hold this. Otherwise, I think that 67 gets retested. Let's go hype. Did we miss that? Oh, it happened yesterday. Yeah.
As long as I got juice in my levels.
Yeah, we said those highs. Turn this level into support. That's 65, 66. Nice. and cleaned up those bad highs. That's not great, but in higher time frame, I think 4 hour, it looks good. Yeah. Now I'm still like, even if it pulls back, like you still want to look at that 69, dudes, as potential support.
My baby wants a Bugatti. She been asking me for so long. Crypto wallet stacking while I'm grinding all night long.
Yeah, so if you're trading altcoins, you want ones that are showing strength, not weakness. Most of these other ones, XRP, a little bit of a bounce. That's nice. I said that 125 zone we wanted to get back inside and probably not reject from. Through here. So could be better, but if it holds like the 118, 119, which that was the first level to look for before shooting up there. Yeah, need to hold here. Maybe a little lower to clean up the lows. Zcash. Yeah. And I know that Coco is trying to see some TRADFI, Zcash. I don't know. It's kind of like came back for the potentially bearish retest, but it did wipe out so much. It wiped out a lot. And Near's looking okay. It bounced where it needed to. But we had marked this level. Or was it that one? No way. I think we said 250 and we were like, yeah, it's probably like 250 is going to be a resistance for more than just psychological resistance. It's like previous week VWAP and a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, you need to get back above that. Those highs aren't looking super great on that higher time frame. Okay, let's get into TRADFI. Let me get it back on Coinbase. And then we'll go to TRADFI. Looking good right there. Nice little candle. We already heard this one. Sorry, guys. It was just in the shuffle. I changed playlists. This is a good one.
Kimchi falling, but we're rising its ceiling. Yo, flip the trade, turn the red into green. Counter play so slick, nah mean. Let us in a pocket juice in a cup. Kimchi gang a flop, but we level up.
You're gonna see S&P tuck back in, but it's not currently.
Charge them crazy, but me stay on the grind. Profit in a the site, me no waste no time. Let to span me well can disguise. Juice a flow high, up on the rise. We vibing, grinding, we change up.
He called 05 in chat. Let's go. Jupiter, let's get it. Into line, squeeze. Squeeze on him. Let's see SpaceX.
Driving under the bluest sky. Walk one, we driving for sure.
Oh. Holy shit. Insane juice, huh? Is this Monday? We marked 191 though, didn't we? And said 200 was going to be a big level. FOMO is real. I need to get in. Oh, what? They have a... They finally came out? They came out? Oh! juice.
Life big, yeah man, wait and see. Positive energy, every trader win.
Natural pullback.
Champion style, me say.
Quit playing with me. I'm never selling. Bitch, it just pumped 50% in like 4 days. This is worse than an altcoin. Yeah. Seriously, Curvies. That's insane. Why do you think everything else is like, is this sucking up a lot of liquidity? I don't think so. I'm selling my gold for SpaceX. I think just people have more money. Look at these highs. You gotta fucking screw loose if you're trying to like, I don't know. If you're trying to scalp this, you don't know what you're doing. But if you do know what you're doing, there's juice to be had here for sure. I guess 173 could be interesting. I don't know, man. You're pumping enough. If S&P pulls back, then you know, just be right back to origin. That's pretty juicy. Get your trades up, testing it ain't worth nothing. Forget if that trade a good look, I'm looking better. Richer than bosses, you know, put together. Took losses like you, but took that daily candle and it's still gapped up. You can close above it though. Pretty cool. Nvidia, yeah, maybe the gap fill now. I can't believe that they left those highs like that. It's pretty ugly. Maybe an ETH? Yeah, it's still ugly. Apple. Rejecting right at 300. We anticipated that being a little bit of resistance and needing to be a level that got flipped. If it continues to pull back, maybe... Why do I even have this shit on here? When is that even from?
Some stuff can't say how much I tell you that. Well, over 5 M's last time I checked. Stuff you saving up, I spent on drink, no disrespect. 3,000-4,000 down drain as soon as I get dressed. Still can get you wrecked for free, ain't worth it though. Having too much fun, getting too much money, messing all I want. Benzes, Bentleys, Phantoms, Escalades, cars ain't drove before. Solitaires, necklace, bracelets, watch everything on me froze. Thought I was chilling, pop up out the cut, Tesla truck,
possibly like this 295 zone could give a gentle bounce. And you have structure support. It's a point of control for TPOs, and it's like a secondary volume node. And previous, is it previous month VWAP? Yeah. I don't know, like probably 300 is gonna be a pull for tomorrow's options. So with the options tomorrow, I don't know, man. Like unless it's like really far from somewhere, that you can see like, there we go. That you can see a, you know, some sort of retracement or recalibration, I guess. I don't know if it's like super interesting to me. Yeah, these, I mean, this is a big expiry. Only one without a grab. Google almost got that gap. That's crazy. Two. Let's get a yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. All the garbage lows, yeah. Those are no good, but that's really far. Yeah, maybe just the gap. Maybe it just holds this structure here. And that's point of control in this range. Oh, it's not. It rejected from point of control. Never mind. That was like the gap this morning. Amazon. Well, they got Prime Day coming up, so you know that'll juice them after this. Probably the gap gets taken. These lows aren't as good. Structure isn't as great either. Yeah, it's not looking super great. Google, yeah, and it's holding this, which is kind of nice. We didn't look at it in high time frame on Amazon either, but this looks more like it's back in the range. Google looks like it's bouncing from the prior resistance, like a retest. Yeah, start accepting back down here again. Then maybe we get it all the way down to point of control. I don't know. And this volume's going to be attracting. Microsoft. Yeah. Where it's trading right now, these lows are going to get taken. And maybe it bounces at this gap at like 370 zone. You got a lot of volume down there. Is that like 7.5, 7.86? A little beyond that. Shoutouts to the 886ers. Look at that 7.5 bounce. Shoutouts to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. And BitBase, big giveaways, I guess coming tomorrow. Possibly some giveaways later today. I know that we're going to do the bingo. Usually we have a giveaway to accommodate that or accompany that. I'm one of those people that don't know how to use big words. I just like have the word of the day come up in my phone and I'm just like, I can't even think of a big word any longer. It's a disaster. Don't have. They turned off your electricity? Shit. Might want that. Sorry to hear it, brother. I didn't even look at Tesla. Highs are worse. Low's not good. I mean, everybody cares about SpaceX right now. Where's AMD? It's holding this. Insane. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's still holding outside of value. Discovery still potentially. 500 might be pretty big for expiry. Yeah, juicy. Let's go, wrong person. Exclamation BitBase. Exclamation CoinWise and coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go, Sophia. How we doing? Toddler, let's fucking go. Welcome, Tyler. How we doing? Latisse. Yeah, I might step out like 11:30 or something, just to make sure I can get a couple of things done before the stream. For the big event.
I they smoke my lettuce, I they concentrate. No they watch, no hater, I they elevate.
And S&P is still,
Kimba gang forever, no debate.
you know, we're gonna price it in right before the meeting.
Yeah, I they roll one slow, then I calculate. Entry clean, wrist tight.
Oh, we didn't look at gold.
In the
Shoot.
jungle, we don't play.
Gold and oil.
Move wild,
That was a pretty juicy move on gold.
I know they speak too much, I they read that tape. I building up, I they hold my faith. Back test strong, now I load that.
Yeah, good little bounce, bad highs now, but natural resistance up here. Is this a box or is it? Oh man, I was hoping it was a box. Yeah, look at that retest right there though. Previous month point of control and structure. Right there. Oh, we got the bottom. Yo, juice. Fuck. Well, okay, I'm gonna get out break even. Let's go crypto jammies. Looking at BitBase. Yeah, get in there, dude. Juicy. Yeah, there's some cool things in it. And then big giveaways coming. Big giveaways. Exclamation. Heard that. Let's go crypto jammies. Toddler. Get in there. Bad lows. I can't believe they held that. Now if it like hits this resistance up here, even if it like loses the open right here, I'm envisioning like maybe even a 60 retest, potentially lower, like the 50 is the big level. 50 zone. We'll see what geopolitical climates bring. And it closed outside. Better get inside in the next day. Still, my goddamn gas prices are fucking $100 a gallon, so get your shit together. Costs a C note to fill up half a tank. Comes in two colors, black and gunmetal gray. That's American trucks. No stress, I count my pepe. They pepe. Alright, to the balcony, gang. Abu Bulito. Storms are coming. There's a storm coming. Space Cadet. Check out SpaceX, Space Cadet. That thing is juice. Get some sleep. Have a great day. Have sleep well, rest well. Rest well, dude. Bellis is going for Space XXX. That's the next Vin Diesel movie. Big cheers, Space Cadet. Have a great day. Where to enter on space? Maybe the 170s. If it pulls back. Yeah, it's the point of control, Sophia. That's kind of what I would be looking at. They super hard pumped it, and there's a lot of people underwater now. Are they gonna puke their positions, or are they just gonna diamond hand it and hope for the best in the long term? Yeah, I'm thinking like that 170. It's kind of interesting.
we dey flex, oh. Let's high, I'ma see my eyes, oh. Profit up, money just the pile, oh.
All right, fellas. Let's get it, fellas. I'm high on life. Shout outs to the Lions of Lithuania and the Wise Lions. We're high on life. Let's get it. All right, I'm going to the balcony. I actually just gotta I gotta go to the restroom really quick. I gotta take a piss. Let's fucking go, Costin. I'll be right back. Like 1 minute. I might like walk around the island really fast. And not like I live on an island like Palau. I'm not gonna walk around that whole island. I'm gonna walk around the kitchen island just to stretch my legs. Let's go, Barentina. All right, I'll be back in 2 seconds. 2 shakes. To the balcony. This is a juicy song too. To the balcony.
Money they come, money they go. Aye, but me I go chop, I know fi slow. No way. Wake up, check the charts, big up my bros. My G's, Kimba gang, we they shine, watch how we glow. We lit, no wahala, we they flex. Trade my way to bigger checks. See my table, it be set. No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack in, I'm on, no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Aye. Who juicing? Kimba gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang. Who stacking? Kimba gang. Who flexing? Kimba gang. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. We going up. We they stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. breeze. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Ay, them say Kimba gang to fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island sky high. No
I should have just held it.
I did cruise, no time for
Should have just held it. I do have a few things I gotta tie down before the stream in a little while. Yeah, I didn't see that Kimba had posted in the den after market open. Make sure that you check that out. Exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den, gives all the levels. It's a good summary for things that we were looking at live. It's a great review. Yeah, and his sentiment about like looking at entries and shit, like on a contract rollover week, on like quarterly options and everything tomorrow. Plus it's gonna be a long weekend. This is a short week. Any bios on the market? You're an island boy. Let's go, Costin. I'm an island boy. Shout out to the island boys. Kimba's Den. Kimba's Den in the Discord. Let's go, Calling Noob. Get hype. We're gonna be vibing out later. FOMC party. Team stream. You know, it'd be good for some laughs and some fun. Some vibes, definitely some juice. Look at that. Can't lose on that little point of control retest. Pretty nice. Oil shorts are juicing. I want to get it back on CME. ES trying to get back inside. Get that second hour in 9 minutes, 8 minutes. I need to fix my clock.
So we let it run, slip away. Will we catch a break? Oh no,
tough level to break.
Waited for a pullback. Can't take it now, it's too late. We missed that trade.
Let's go Forgiven. Let's go Latisse.
But it wasn't enough. That I gave a chance.
Accelerate. I don't think it's going to happen before the end of stream right now. We might have one during the FOMC stream. You're going to have a chance though. Like, you're here a lot now. And so if you don't win this week, you know, they're going to continue. Dude, back in February, we ran giveaways, or yeah, it was February, I think. We ran giveaways for like a month and a half, like every day. So you'll have a good chance to win. Even if it's not right away, you'll juice up. Yeah. So even if it's like only like 10 or something people that win in one stream, there's lots of opportunities. Just keep on doing what you're doing, brother. Nerding out, spending time, and practicing, improving, and you'll get your opportunity. The real juice is the community, and everything else is just icing on the cake. Let's go Accelerate. Yeah, so happy that you're a part of the community. Love to see it. The FOMC stream, we're going to start it at 1:30 New York time. I don't know. Home Depot. We have had that quite a few times in the past, but we've also pumped off of it. If it's a surprise and they cut rates, whew, that could be big juice. But the positioning right now, it's it's leaning on maybe rejecting from these levels currently.
Look, slam dunking profits like I'm playing NBA. Stacking up the wins, chip count
Or leaning towards that.
trading these are levels, these are not no basic
Structure on Biddy looks okay right now though. And if S&P reclaims, I think that's going to look good for possibly getting back inside the 66 zone. It's been so, what, like 6-7 weeks? 6-7. You see all my enthusiasm in that. April 29th, I think, was the last FOMC. I turned off all of the things on this chart. Oh, oh no, it's just the contracts on there.
But the broker still cheap. Just cop another contract if the setup looking weak. Slam dunking profits like I'm playing NBA. Stacking up the wins, chip counts look like Frito.
Yeah, it actually pulled back and juiced from there. That was like the fuel it needed. People got filled, and it went to the like quarterly highs then. And that was, I think, the first run for S&P also. It was like making it back to the top. That first top.
If I'm on the plate, you know it's a big stake. Chalk cost 30K, still show up for the late break. That cap you run online, don't move a single tick. How you bring it?
And it just expanded from there. Yeah, big gap up, filled the gap, and then just never looked back. That was from FOMC. Day after, right there. And then it broke out and just ran. And we barely even retested that. We didn't even truly have the retest. Pretty juicy. So we're just going to take it level by level. Follow the plan. We have levels picked out to the downside. Levels to the upside. And we ready, we juicing. Look at that freaking pixel on monthly VWAP. Giannis, let's go. Crispy. Nah. Home Depot, Palau. It's I'm a honorary resident. It's something that many people will look into for the favorable policies which they offer. Johnny Kinslow, how we doing? Welcome, how you doing? You ready for FOMC? Yeah, we're winding things down right now and be back in about 2 hours. Yeah, I'm in the US. Home Depot, are you in the US? With a name like that, you must be. Bugatti money. Was it you or was it Coca that was asking about Market Cipher? Market Cipher, CryptoFace was a lion. What about Dot? Orts, you want to see Dot? Are you still here? Sorry, I missed that. Shout out to Home Depot. I'm on the East Coast. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I was Coke Zero, and I have family there, but I am in the US. Yeah, I was gonna come visit you when I was down there, but then I didn't even go. I freaking haven't traveled in like over a year. Husty wants to see Dot and Trump. Okay, are you in some things, Husty? I mean Juicy, because we can't get you confused. Yeah, I will, Coke Zero. I'll shoot over. It's really easy. Really easy. There's like a little small there's like a little small airport near us too. But it's not like a good one. It's just easier to go to like Liberia. Yeah, it'd be like probably an hour flight, hour and a half on like a small plane maybe. That'd be dope. You live near the airport? I'm not saying do you live at the airport. I know you live on the beach. But I mean like your city. I'd love to come check that out. I'm big on traveling in the winter. It's super nice in the summertime here, kind of hot, but it's really cold in the winter. I used to just like leave. Yeah, shout out to Coke Zero. Thanks, brother. You live in paradise all the time. You're on the West Coast? Nice. So it won't be too late for you to come back for the FOMC stream. Home Depot, please. Feel welcome. Join us anytime, all the time.
When you hit that useless line, when you hit that fib line, when you hit that useless line, when you hit that fib line, when you
yeah, give us, I mean, exclamation coin-wise, you can try out the tools and their resources. 14-day free trial. And then maybe even get like a little giveaway thing. Yeah, like the levels. I need to find that window. Is it this one? But they have a journal, so that would be a kind of a cool tool to practice with. Let's go, Alavs. That'd be a cool tool to practice with, as the journal when you're doing your practice trading or just like small trades. Yeah, that'd be awesome, Home Depot. But I'll be back on again tomorrow afternoon. There's going to be Kimba live trading tomorrow morning. And then Friday, there's some other things going on. Fridays are usually action-packed. Looking okay for now. Maybe it just like kind of grinds its way up towards value, and we get a reaction right when we get the minutes drop. World Cup USA versus Australia, where are they playing? Are they playing in LA? Let's go Home Depot. Are you a football fan or a football fan? Go ahead, set the charts. It's in Seattle. Okay. DC wants to see DOT and Trump coin. All right, I'm gonna do those, and then we'll wrap it up for a little while and be back and ready to hit it hard for the meeting. Okay. You got right this morning. Sorry, Rafa. What were you trading? Did you short the lows, or you got stopped out? Trying to long it. Yeah, it's kind of rough if you were hoping for this to hold, but it was kind of stacking the deck for just some sort of breakout with those bad lows. Came and got a lot of that inefficiency. And dot. Okay. Houston, are you in a dot thing? Not so bad in like the current structure. It did break out. It's holding. It's holding the breakout. Kind of trying to hold these lows. A little bit of triangulation happening, and let's get it. I don't want to pull a profile. Yeah, wow, the point of control is way up there. That's going to be a little bit more of a difficult barrier to break through, even if we make it to the highs with the liquidity above. But we're above VWAP now. Multiple VWAPs actually. And we got this dollar, this stupid dollar level. Shoutouts if you got in below $1. Nice failed auction down there. But you're gonna get resistance first at this level if it's able to break the consolidation highs at the 105. You know, so like this whole zone is gonna be kind of tricky. And then looking back, if it is able to break it through there, then like 116 to 120 is probably going to be your next level. You get back inside 116 though, it's going to be a lot juicier. A lot juicier. Maybe pull us up to like close to 130. That's a good move. $100, that's not too bad on ETH. You were trying to long it or short it? I mean, $100 is $100. Maybe you juice on some BitBase giveaways. You're on BitBase, right? Let's go, Rafa. All right, Home Depot, have a great day. NFL sucks. You only watch World Cup soccer. Let's go. Home Depot, thanks for joining this morning. Hope to see you again this afternoon and much more within the community. All right, we're gonna go down to Trump coin real quick. Future finance. Yeah, I'll just pull. Got me feeling like a snow globe. Ain't no capping, this ain't fiction, boy, this real life. Started from the trenches, now my pockets looking real nice. Pull up with the gang, it's back inside, damn. 100 for the fit, dripping sauce like it's Aquafina. Juicing up. We don't give a fuck. Stack that green like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up. It needs to get back up to like the $2 mark. I don't know if it's got the juice for it. I think probabilities are leaning towards value area. I mean, it's value area low right now, but let's see. I think probabilities are leaning towards like this structure down here. Maybe it gets some of the inefficiency from that daily like insane candle. How big was that candle? That was a nice pump. That was a good one. Good volume. It ran over shorts, I can see.
Juice and vibes with the elevate. Smoking like tea, smoking know the weight. Bugatti dreams to accelerate.
That's what it was.
With juice and crew, we dominate.
Let's go, Houston. Did you watch the UFC? There's so much hate on that. I think it's kind of cool. I don't know. I don't really care, honestly.
Stacking paper, reaching for the skies. Let the beat breathe.
Not about your opinion. I'm just saying, like, you know, it's kind of par for the course. There's going to be spectacles. 1.25. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. That's what you want to hear? All right, let's sign out on this. I do like this song, though. You and Cage were watching it? That's awesome. Yeah, you're welcome, Home Depot. See you soon, brother. Have a great day. He's got a spot thing. Where'd you get in at, Houston? I'm not talking about what exchange. I know you on that BitBase. Exclamation BitBase. Make sure that you get signed up and updated in the exclamation dashboard. That's good times, Houston. Exclamation dashboard for all the Gucci exchanges and BitBase giveaways incoming. CoinWise giveaways incoming. We're gonna have a great time in a little while, about 2 hours from now, a little less, and be vibing out for the FOMC rates announcement. Yeah, you'll never see that at the White House. It's sick, dude. And they did like all kinds of cool shit like alongside it too. Pretty cool. America. America. Let's go to the next one, Houston. I could drive there. I'm definitely not. It's not Home Depot, but exclamation who Juicin plays some of the songs, and then when we're not on stream, it is played. Mostly on the Twitch, I think. Yeah, it's because we cycle it 24 hours. Like YouTube won't let us play like other people's music. So since the stream's on 24 hours, we just like got our own. Yeah, maybe one day, brother. But Who Juicin plays it as well. It's like a different playlist. And Houston just said he's the OG for Useless Line Records, the production company. Win Useless Line shirts, by the way. But he said that there's some new playlists coming for Who Juicin', so let's get it. Yeah, you could just like minimize it. There's not a whole lot of action on there most of the time. Yeah, that's like a shout out to one of the early days things that was pretty funny on stream with Kimba. But it's pretty cool. New playlist update tonight. Let's go, Houston. Moto X at the... Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's dope, Crypto Jammies. Dude, when are they gonna... When's Travis Pastrana gonna jump a fucking motorbike or goddamn Subaru over the thing? You remember when he jumped that shit over like the Arc de Triomphe or something? Or is the fake one in Vegas, I think. You like this one? Let's go, Home Depot. Home Depot, this is called 1.25. Request it next time, I'll play it. 1.25. Yeah, and if there's any songs that you like, or like, I guess anybody, just write them down and I'll do my best to accommodate. I just have it on, yeah, it's Subaru. Subaru. It does have some, so there's some juicy Subarus, but like, then they also have like their other connotations. Kind of tougher ladies seem to have a affinity for Subarus as well.
From the lows to the highs, we here to stay. Bitcoin to 100K.
But they're pretty cool.
Elections wild, news don't phase.
Versatile cars and like the, you know, the rally cars are dope. Yeah, Kirby's. When Subaru sponsorship? Dude, I saw somebody had like a WRX, it was like a 07 or something, or 05, I can't remember. It was one of those, and it had like 20 miles on it. They just kept it in their garage. And they just sold it for like over 100 grand. And no mods at all. Are they really Kirby's? I thought that they were less than Toyota. But maybe with like those new engines that they had and the fucking hybrids and stuff. Alright, I could talk about this shit all day, dude. I actually gotta take care of a few things. Revero is. Let's go, Psycho Talon. Alright, I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna check it out. That would be amazing. Psycho Talon, where are you, dude? Roscoe, Math and Data, you wanna wrap up on that one? All right, Roscoe. Shout out to Roscoe. I think you're a Lion King, aren't you, dude? Math and, wait, we already did Math and Data though. Quit playing with me. I'm almost. Oh, this is a good one. I think we might start on that one. I'll sign out on this one. At my house. I mean, what country, dude? Argentina, nice. Yeah, I'll play it on the sign out, dude. That's dope. That's cool, Crypto Jammies. Come on, Lions. Let's go, Kimba. We got the 10,000 hours. Do that thing. See me trying to reclaim. The Bitcoin is trying to get there in spot for the 4-hour close, which is imminent. Of course, we're looking at Trump coin still. Shout out to UFC. I think Kimba, the emergency that he was experiencing was him flying to the UFC thing. I know that the timelines don't align. I know. Yeah. I hope everything's alright. Yeah, trying to get this 4-hour close up here. Oh, there's a fake out down below. Maybe. Go to the den, check it out. The dude, Psycho Talon, that shit was so funny. I'm not allowed to play that one yet. Maybe we can play it on the FOMC stream. Oh, juice. Bugatti. How's his shorts looking right there? Oh, got him. Okay, wait. Math and Data. I gotta get out of here, y'all. I for real have like mad shit to do, and I'm gonna be streaming with y'all in a little bit. Got him. Let's go, DJ. Thank you all for joining this morning. Gucci. Yeah, there you go, Roscoe. Have a great day, brother. Home Depot. Have a great day. Hope to see you guys in a little bit. Don's, welcome to Lion Cub. Dolkong, have a great night. Sleep well, rest well. See you on the next one. Costin, have a good one. Forgiven, Husty, Pedro, shout outs to PSG. Yep, join us later for the FOMC stream. It's coming. Indo Lion. Coke is still in that thing. He's juicing. He's juicing like a motherfucker. This song's beautiful. Ooh wee, right back to the point of control. Maestro, Coke Zero. Shout outs, Coke Zero. Much love, brother. Thank you again. I'll catch you in a little while. Anybody that's not back later, you're gonna miss out. But hope you guys have a great day. Good luck. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit out you. Much love, Kimba, Husty, Cage, the whole team. Make sure you check out the dashboard in the interim. Make sure you get signed up on BitBase. Exclamation CoinWise, exclamation BitBase. Math and data. Uh-oh. Coming for that little thing up here. Nothing big, but it's something. It's something. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Much love. Manaka. Oh, that's a good one. Maestro. Shouts Maestro. Coke Zero. Crypto Jammies. Latisse. Orips. Have a great day. I'll catch you in a little while. Latisse. Colin Noob. Big shouts to the whole team. Twerk video outro. I'll twerk video outro. Let's do it. You came for the outro. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Hey, US will be back in a little while. I just got to get some stuff done before. I could just put it on like the chart or something, but I have to like reset a bunch of things to be compatible for the three-way stream. So yeah, I'm actually gonna. I got a kind of a lot of shit to do real fast. If you ain't twerking, you ain't juicing. Yeah, try to come back for the FOMC stream. We're gonna do it 30 minutes before the minutes drop, or the before the rates announcement. So about an hour and a half from now, we'll be back. J-Bucks, Mark, 10 binds, cheers, US, shouts to you. Sorry you missed it. But the YouTube, we there. And then, yeah, Roscoe, shout outs to you. Home Depot, let's go. Curvies, always. J-Bucks, Mark, shouts PSG. All right, I'm out. I gotta go. Let's save my freaking long giveaways or long send off for later. All right, cheers, Lions. See you soon. Peace. Yeah, for real. I'll be right back. All right, love y'all.
This is a CoinWise thing. Feeling fully locked in. I'm thinking about the charts. CoinWise got the levels. Now we're really moving smart. Got all the tools with me, and the knowledge feeling high.